Erectile dysfunction is something that affects not only the male, but whomever he's being intimate with. And a lot of times, patients won't realize the great effect it's having on their relationship and on their confidence level. A gentleman will come in and he'll say, I've tried tablets, I've tried injections, I've tried vacuum pumps, I've tried the thing at the local gas station that my friend told me works for him. And they are discouraged, they're disheartened, they're frustrated. They feel like they're not accurately pleasing their spouse and concerned, is that causing more strife in their relationship? And we look at the different treatment options. And it's not the same treatment for everyone. It's not one size fits all. But for one patient in particular who had been suffering from ED for years due to diabetes and high blood pressure, which just about every single patient suffers from some type of medical disorder. We were able to do a penile implant for him. And he came back in with his wife at the 3-month follow-up, and they are so happy. It has sparked a new thing in their marriage. They feel like they're connecting better. He feels like his confidence is better. There's not as much, and I don't want to say depression, but just anxiety around performance and anxiety on, am I pleasing my partner? So it helps not only from a quality of life and intimacy standpoint, but it can also help with just your confidence level and getting your marriage back or your relationship back to where you want it to be.